Today, we're going to look at a BodyViz brain builder about anatomy study tips. Anatomy courses can be hard, interesting, challenging, and rewarding all at the same time. In order to be successful in your anatomy studies, it is important to develop study strategies that fit your style of learning. One size does not fit all with learning. In this brain builder, we're going to share some anatomy study tips and tricks. Your perspective going into your anatomy studies can greatly affect the outcome of what you receive from your studies. The study of human anatomy is learning about the structures and internal workings of yourself. Adjusting your perspective of learning anatomy as just another course or subject to learning about your own composition and inner workings awakens a new perspective and level of interest to hopefully allow your anatomy studies to not just be another course, but instead, a course that is applicable to your everyday life and well-being. Next, let's look at some study tips from our BodyViz anatomy experts. Drawing has proven to be an effective exercise in helping someone remember something. Studies have even shown that drawing is a better activity in aiding memory compared to reading or writing, because the person is having to process information in multiple ways. A study on the powerful influence of drawing on memory showed that drawing information as a memorization technique to be almost twice as powerful of a way to boost your memory compared to other strategies. Next class, maybe consider bringing a blank piece of paper and colored pencils to lecture to sketch a concept or copy a slide. Self-explaining is an effective learning strategy that involves asking yourself questions like, what does this mean? Or why does this matter? Specifically, it is most helpful to ask these questions out loud and think through the reasoning out loud. It might be a bit embarrassing at first to talk to yourself, but this is important in adapting this technique. After learning a pathway, system, or function, you can study the concept by talking yourself through it while on a walk, in the shower, cooking, or just hanging out. Flashcards are used in activating the mental skill of active recall. This means that you are studying by attempting to remember a concept from scratch, rather than reading a passage in your textbook or recognizing a concept on a multiple-choice quiz. Research has found that active recall retrieval practice leads to 150% better retention than passive studying. Flashcards can be a diverse studying tool in using them to organize and group organs and muscles related to each other, or also memorizing specific pathways of blood vessels or nerves. A hands-on technique that is literally hands-on is actually touching the area of a term. For example, when learning about the area of a leg, touching the origins and insertions of specific muscles or the placement of specific bones on yourself and saying the term can be helpful in remembering. This might look a little bit silly at first, but it can be very helpful, especially when determining the right or left of a structure. Learning is never a one-size-fits-all. Learning is a skill, and just like any other skill, it takes time and practice to get better. Taking the time to try out some of these strategies and figure out what learning techniques work best for you can save you time and frustration with your studies. We hope you give some of these study tips and tricks a try. Are you interested in learning more about how you can incorporate BodyViz 3D interactive anatomy into your classes? Give your students the opportunity to learn in a variety of ways, including pre-made modules and quizzes, videos, patient case studies, real patient virtual dissections, and more. Go to bodyviz.com to schedule a demo today.